Hello and Assalamualaikum Doctor. So we are from Group 9. We consist of me, Muhammad Khair, Puazi, Faiz and Syahir Roswadi. So we will present for our Cosmark Management web application for web technology project. So overview for this project, the project aim to develop a Cosmark management web application with multiple user role, which is um, specifically designed for educational institution to streamline the management and monitor of student mark. The application include feature for lecturers, student, academic advisor and admins. So for this project, we will be using Vue.js for framework, for front end, PHP Slim for back end, and MySQL for database. We will use RESTful API with JSON to handle the data between front end and back end. So the objective for this project is um, to develop a feature-rich web application that facilitate the functionality for lecture, student, academic advisor, and admin. So for the lecture, the objective is to create an efficient management of student record and grade. Then for the student, the objective is to help the student access their mark and performance tracking so they can observe their growth through for this any subject, any course. Then for academic advisor is to monitor the student advisor has been assigned so they can monitor the student progress and offer any support when if the student is needed. For admin, it's allow admin for manage the user account and roles so they can control the access for the web application. Then we will go to functionality. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. So I'm going to showcase the cost management system for the role lecture. So let's log in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard for the lecture. So we're going to manage the student records. Let's go select courses, mobile application, session 1. So we're going to delete one of the students here. Let's go delete Shahid. All right. And then we're going to add a student here. Let's add Shahi again. Okay, so we already add Shahi. So here we have the benchmark number, the full name, Nohain Saizati, the email, and also the phone number. So let's try on the next course, software quality assurance. And so here we have 6 students. Going to delete at least 2 students here. Okay, so let's make it 3. So we have only 3 students. Going to add another one, Rohani Sarizati. We add. All right. So we have 4 students for the course software quality assurance. Let's go on the next step. Manage continuous assessment component. So we're going to select the previous course, which is the mobile application programming. So as you can see here on the mobile application programming already has 7 assessment. So we're going to delete a few of the assessment here. All right, I think that's enough. Right now we have 4 assessment. So we have assessment name, the marks and the weight carry of the assessment. Let's create a midterm test. And then the marks will be 100, and then the weight will be 20%. Let's create, and then it shows here assessment created with the total weight, the total marks, which is 100, and the weight is 20%. And then let's create another one, which is final test 100. I'm sorry, and 30 as in 30%. So we have here, and then yeah, I think okay. So when we look at here, there is a mistake spelling of the midterm test. So we're going to edit it actually. The midterm test, save change. Okay, so yeah, we managed to edit it. So from the midterm test to midterm test. All right, let's go for the next tab. Select course. Let's go again for the mobile application programming. So I'm going to select student. Let's go for Shahid. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 as in the latest that we have created at the mobile application. We have 6 of them, so it is tally. So let's go Shahid. So let's insert the marks obtained by Shahid. Let's say that Simon 1, he got 27. And in class exercise, he got full marks, and for the quiz, he got 4.5. It changed from 4%, from 4 to 90%. And the midterm test, he obtained a 75. Final, he obtained 85. So the total weight percentage he got is 62.75%. So let's save marks for Shahid. Okay, so what if we're going to reset the marks, okay? Going to reset it, as after that, when reset, all the marks obtained by Shahid are completely empty right now. So let's re-enter it again, 30, 5, 10, 5, re-90, re-90. Save mark for Shahid. Okay, so Shahid right now has 69% of the total weight. So let's go on the next tab, which is student progress. So let's go on the mobile application programming. This is Nurhani's Anxiety graph. This will be Hafiz. This is Faiz, Pujiying, and Shahid. Yeah, this is one that we want. So the x-axis here are the assessment, and the y-axis here are the total marks. So Shahid got 30, 5, and then 10, and 5 again, and then 90 and 90 for the test, for the midterm and final test. So let's try to export it as well. As you can see, we managed to export the full result as a CSV. Thank you for the raw lecture, Hafiz.
Good morning, Doctor. I'm from Group 9 and I'm Fazim. I'm in charge of the student module of our course management system. So I'll first by starting logging as a student. So the matric number is A22EC0103 and the pin is 11111. It is a 5-digit pin. So after logging in, this is our main student panel. And first we can look at our header bar. There is this notification icons that shows you that your assessment has been updated by your lecturer. So for example here, Your mark for assessment quiz 1 has been updated. Please check your results, and it's from June 25. So I can click on it to indicate that I've uh, read this notification, or I can just click on this mark all read. And here you can see that the notifications have no longer the little pop-up at the right. Alright, so here we can proceed with the first function, which is to view our assessment marks. So we start by selecting our enrolled course. So for example, I'll choose Intro to CS and then section 1. So these are all my assessment that is in this course, and we can see that the maximum marks for this assessment is 15, and then the weight is 5. The marks I obtain is 50, so the percentage I obtain is also 5%. So it will show here our total percentage for the whole course. So it is calculated by here 30 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so let's take a look at another course. Alright, so here let's say I am not satisfied with this quiz 1 assessment mark that I obtained. I can request a remark by clicking on this button. And then here I can explain why I want to request a remark. So I can say, I don't think the mark is correct. I can click on submit request, and then it says the remark is submitted successfully. So at the lecturer panel, the lecturer can see all the remark requests made by the students. So the next function is to view our progress in a particular course. So I'll select Intro to OOP, section 1. Right, so here we can see our assessment breakdown. Quiz 1, I obtained 50 marks. Quiz 2, the same. Assignment 1, 100 marks. And the same for the rest. So that means I obtained a total weighted percentage of 100%. So that is my assessment breakdown and my progress in this course. Alright, so now we can proceed with the next function, which is to compare our mark anonymously with another students. So we can again select Intro to OOP, section 1. So here we can see that we have Fazing, which is my name. So we can see our marks, and then the other students in this course, in this section, and their corresponding marks. I don't know their name, so we are comparing our marks anonymously. So here are all the assessment marks. We can take a look at another course. Alright, so in this course, we have a total number of 3 students. And here we have a total number of 6 students. I'm sorry, 5 students, including me. And yep, the pink color bar chart is my marks, and the rest is other students. Okay, so the next function is to view our rank of percentile in our course. So for example, in this Intro to OOP course, section 1, there are currently 2 students. My rank is number 1, and my percentile is 100%. Let's go to another course. Alright, in this course, we have a total number of 5 students, and I'm currently ranked number 2. Percentile is 75%. And here is the what if simulation. So I can change my total percentage, and it will tell me what rank I would have if I have this percentage in the future. So let's say in the future I get 95%, and I should get rank number 1. Right, so here it says simulated rank 1 out of 5, and the percentile is 100%. So that is about it for all the students function, and thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello doctor. My name is Muhammad Syahir Biruswadi, and I will be taking a part of student advisor for the course mark management system. So without further ado, I will start the demo. Okay, we need to log in as a staff. Okay. Upon successful login, uh, the website will show the advisor panel, including the total of lists of advisee for the advisor. So for this example, I have two advisee, which is Okashwan and Shahir. Right here, on this page will display the list of advisees. So the next page is the advisee mark breakdown. So from this page, academic advisor can see their advisee performance. Okay, for example, we pick Okashwan, and we can see his courses here. Okay, look at this section. Okay, so it will show the marks that have been given to Okashwan, which is my advisee. So I can monitor his performance from here. You can also see other courses. Okay, here you can see uh, his mark for other courses, which is discrete structure. Alright. So furthermore, I can also add private notes for the student if we have a meeting. And for example, I took Shahid. Later, uh, maybe meeting one content performance not good. Okay, when this meeting is done, maybe okay, I can save these notes for future reference. Okay, I got okay. So this is the last time I did. Okay, I can edit and delete these notes. Example, you can edit this. So I can edit this note. Common is good. Okay. Last but not least, we can export the consultation report upon successful submission. Example, I have put a note here. Okay, we can export in CSV. Alright. So when we open it, yeah, it is generates a CSV file. So that's basically about the advisor functionalities. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, doctor. So my name is Muhammad Kai. So I will present our admin dashboard. So for admin username, we will use admin. The password is UTM best. So login. So here we can manage user. We can add new user. So each user role has different their input. So student password will be using pin, and we can assign advisor for them. So for advisor, we just need password and admin. So we also can edit the user detail. We can change the role and this, and we can also delete. So we delete this. Then the next function is to add new course. So I will add CS 0.06 course name. And computer. So we add one section. This is the capacity of the student can enter the section. So we set is 30, save. So section 1, save. So this one after we add, we can push it, play it, and it will show the detail for the lecture that has been assigned, the section and the capacity. So for Matt, then I will assign it to Dr. Sim. Then we save. So here, then we can also edit. So that we want to remove this in case the capacity and so that we can view the system log. So when any user log in, admin can review it. So then they can mark as a review. So then for the next question is for reset user password. So for this set password, we just enter the username, reset factory password. So then it will reset to pin because student need to use pin to log in. So they only use numbers. So then we try for Dr. Sim. So it MS. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So for this project, we, as our team, have carefully selected tools to ensure a robust development and efficient deployment. So starting off for our version control, we use GitHub. GitHub is essential for us to collaborate development, allowing us to track change, manage different versions of our code, and seamlessly work together as a team. The second part is that for our development environment, we choose VS Code, the Visual Studio Code. It is highly versatile, lightweight code editor that support a vast array of programming languages and extensions as well. It also integrates debugging and extensive customization options significantly boost our productivity. As for our front end, we use a built-in Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework known for its simplicity and performance. The Vue.js allows us to create interactive and a dynamic user interface with ease, providing a smooth, responsive experience for our user. As for our backend, we utilize a robust combination of PHP and MySQL. PHP handles all our server-side logic, processing requests, and managing application flow, while MySQL Server as our powerful relational database, secure storing and receiving all our project data. All these components work together, communicating primarily through RESTful API using JSON, ensuring seamless data exchange across entire system. In this project, I work on developing a course mark management system. So focusing on the secure logging and the role-based access control, the RBAC, to allowing me manage permission effectively. So my main contribution for this project is that including the managing student records, implementing features, create and customize assessment components like quizzes, assignment and labs, and also automating the calculation of the final grades by integrating the continuous assessment and the final exam marks. So through this project, I learned how to balance the functionality with the user experience by designing a system that is both efficient and also user friendly. One of the biggest challenge I faced was ensuring an accuracy of the auto-calculated grades while maintaining flexibility for customizable assessment components, debugging complex logic for calculation, and ensuring proper integration with other models taught me the importance of attention to detail. Additionally, implementing RBAC for secure access was a valuable experience as it required careful planning to ensure security while remaining intuitive for users. Overall, this project deepened my understanding of the building's scalable, secure system and also strengthened by problem solving and collaboration skills. Thank you.
I'm Fazim. For my reflection in this course management MARC project, I was responsible for developing the student module, and this module was crucial in allowing students to access their academic information, view their assessment breakdowns, track their progress, and also to engage more meaningfully with their academic journey. My main tasks included implementing the secure student authentication using JWT and also to display personalized course and assessment results display, and also to enable students to submit remarks requests with their justification. And also the system provide visual tools like bar charts and tables for the students to compare the marks anonymously with other course mates. I also work on showing each student's rank and percentile within their course section and highlighted at-risk students in the advisor's view. So while working on these features, I faced several challenges, such as in handling the percentage calculations dynamically and ensuring the data shown was both accurate and secure. Through close collaboration with the backend team, I was able to design efficient data retrieval methods and contribute to building a robust and user-friendly system. This project not only improved my technical skills in Vue.js, PHP's Theme framework, and MySQL, it also taught me the importance of user-centric design, clear communication, and collaboration in a team environment. In overall, it was a valuable learning experience that strengthened both my front-end and back-end development abilities. Thank you very much. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. So now I will be talking about the reflection of my work for the course management system. So my part is for the academic advisor. So I've done several things. The first one is first of all, how does the system work is when student register their account, they need to select their advisor. So what happened is that for this advisor, when they open their dashboard, they can monitor their advisee performance uh, throughout their courses to identify their performance regarding their GPAs and so on. If the student performance is low, then the academic advisor can take action uh, to help the student using another feature, which is to record notes and consultation advices for the student. Okay, when they have a meeting or online meeting and they want to write down things for their student, they can use the functionalities to write notes for the student that can be edited and delete if wanted for future reference. Furthermore, upon completing the notes, they can easily access it um, by exporting those reports in a CSV format so that they can track their student progress and do further intervention uh, more clearly and effectively rather than need to sign up again and again into the website. So to conclude, I have learned the fundamental and developing Vue application using PHP Slim framework and also RESTful APIs. So that's all for me. Thank you.
below. So for my part, I have been tasked to do admin part. So this for admin, I have do the few function which is user management, the system log and password recovery, and the cost management. So for the management, user management, so I can, for admin part, they can add the user based on each role. So for they can add new account which is student, advisor and lecturers, ensuring their role were set up and maintained properly in the system. So then in this in admin function, they can assign lecture to each course. They need to admin can assign course for each lecture. Then in this, admin also can add new course, add the detail, the section, and the department that the course will be used in the system. Also, the admin can monitor the user login activity. So the system will show the log information which user have entered. Then admin can reset the user password according to their role. So the technology for this project, which is that I have used, is Vue.js for framework. So this Vue.js helped me to create a responsive user interface to interact with other page. So for the backend, we use PHP Slim to handle the routing, middleware, and controller. So it is efficient and make it ideal to developing the backend service. So I also have used RESTful API to connect front end to the back end. So then we also use MySQL to store the user data. So user data, data. So then for the challenge during this project that I have faced, which the first one is the to connect my um, module to other module. So for the admin, I need to give the user access to every function with like cost for their account. So it is quite challenging to handle that part. So then also to ensure the role-based access control work efficiently for each user. So through this web application project, um, I have gained a deeper understanding on how to use Vue, PHP Slim, and RESTful API to generate, implement a whole project. So that's all from me.